Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Google search on Android TV or Google TV. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. Out of the box, Android TV has the Google app, but it only searches the content that is available on the TV. Like if you make a query, it will search YouTube videos and similar like this. So let's learn how to use Google. For that, switch to apps option available on the top and then select it. After that, scroll down and select search box and type browser and press search. Wait for few seconds. Now you will see list of available browsers. Download and install whichever you find best. But I will use this one with name browser. Select it and here select install. Now set it up for the first time. It includes various questions related to usage, so you can keep pressing the skip until you see this screen. Now here you can select the Google card available on the top to directly open the Google search, or you can use this search box and type Google and visit. Here you can type the query like this. On the other hand, you can type the URL of the website which you want to visit. And that's it. Now you can use Google search the way you want on your Android TV. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.